BSc Part 2 and respected listener, a very good afternoon and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students of BSc Part 2, I will deliver today a very special lecture on the quantitative relationship between equilibrium constant for Kp and Kc, which is selected from BSc Part 2, Paper 3, Physical Chemistry, chosen from that is of Unit 3rd, titled as that is of Chemical Equilibrium. Dear students, now may I have attention your please that once again I repeat the essential features, important concept theory of that is of Kc and Kp. I bring to draw your kind immediate notice about the fundamental definition of that is of Kc, equilibrium constant, in which in any reversible chemical reaction which is undergoing in such a position, the ratio of the active mass of that is of product and its power when is divided by the active mass of the reactants and its multiplication is known as that is of equilibrium constant and symbolized by that is of Kc. Dear student, Kc defined to us in such a position when the reactants and products are present in that is of liquid and that is of solid phase also. In such a position, their concentration one can express in terms of active mass only. In the case, in any reversible reaction, any chemical reversible reaction which is undergoing in such a position that in such a state that reactants and products are present in gaseous phase, in such a position, the concentration of the gases one can represent, one can write down as in terms of that is of partial pressure. As you have studied in your previous class of BSc Part 1, according to the kinetic theory of the gases, partial pressure or pressure, that is the fundamental property of the gases. When we fill more than one types of the gases in any system, the pressure dropped, or I think force dropped into internally in per unit area. Such phenomenon is known as that is of pressure. In regarding of the measure of various gases, when we calculate the pressure of that is of individual gas is measured, is defined in terms of that is of partial pressure. I mean to say, dear students of BSc Part 2, the concentration of the gases according to the kinetic theory of the gases can be expressed in terms of partial pressure here. In order to explain the relationship between Kp and Kc, I consider here on the blackboard here one interested illustration of the chemical reaction, reversible chemical reaction undergoing by means of N1 mole of A reacts N2 mole of B to produce M1 mole of C and M2 mole of D. The Kc one can write active mass of C and active mass of D and their power in terms of moles M1 and M2. When is divided by that is of active mass of A and that is of active mass of B and their moles N1 and N2. In the case of partial pressure, Kp is equals to Pc to the power M1, Pd to the power M2, Pa to the power N1, Pb to the power N2. Dear students of BSc Part 2, the same conceptual fundamental multiplication of concentration or active mass or partial pressure of the product when is divided by the active mass or the concentration or the partial pressure is that is of reactants to give the value of equilibrium constant Kc and that is of Kp. Say equation number 5 where Pa, Pb, you know here Pa, Pb that is of Pa, Pb, Pc and Pd denote the partial pressure of A, B, C and D respectively. Now using ideal gas equation, you have studied fundamental equation, very special equation for ideal gas. Pv is equals to nRT. When N is divided by that is a volume, P is equals to N upon V RT, N upon V to give the value of that is of CRT, C is equals to N upon V that is of molar concentration, C that is of equation number C. In this equation, you know, in this equation P is equals to that is of CRT, R denote here that is of gas constant, T denote here temperature, both are the constant. The variation will be taken into account for the concentration of Ca, Cb, Cc and that is of Cd, and to give the value of partial pressure of A, partial pressure of B, partial pressure of C, partial pressure of D, or now put down. Now we substitute the value of equation number 7, 8, 9, 10 in equation number 5. Kp is equals to, we are having the whole that is of the quantity now separate. in respect of concerning quantities here, separate here. Kp is equals to, we have the value of Cc to the power m1, Cd to the power m2, R to the power number of moles, and its sum, its addition m1 plus m2, divisible by concentration of A to the power n1 and concentration of B to the power, that is of n2. Similarly, the sum, the addition of number mole of, that is of reactants here. Here RT n1 plus, that is of n2. Dear students, now further solving, add the concerning number of moles, numerator and denominator, m1 plus m2 here minus n1 plus n2. It is the difference of the sum of number of moles, that is of products, m1 plus m2 minus, that is of number of moles of the reactant n1 plus n2 to give the value of del n here. You know here this one quantity here, that is of this one quantity. In our previous lecture, we have derived the necessary equation for equilibrium constant Kc here. This whole quantity to give the value of, that is of Kc. Kp is equals to Kc r to the power del n. Here Kp is equals to Kc r to the power del n. Say that is of equation number, that is of 12 here. Where A, B, C and D denote, that is of active mass only. Kc r to the power del n here, equation number 12 give us the fundamental relationship, quantitative relationship between Kp and Kc. Dear students, it is very special, very special equation. In chemical reaction, we want to make the establishment, the relationship between reactants and products which we are using simultaneously, or which are forming in the form of, in the state of solid, liquid and, that is of gases also. Here on the behalf of del n, suppose in chemical reactions, when del n passes the value of 0, del n passes the value of negative, del n passes the value of positive, then what will be the relationship between, that is of Kp and, that is of Kc here. We will derive it, that is of tomorrow. Once again I repeat, that is of Kp and is equals to Kc r to the power del n. Dear students, by using very special reactions, we will make the distinction and definition and relation between Kp and Kc for various cases by using del n is equals to 0, negative, and del n is equals to positive. Thank you very much.